Track 50. Unit 3, Lesson 4. Listen and check. 1.
See a film.
2.
Go to a museum.
3.
Play in the park.
4.
Help at home.
5.
Play with friends.
6.
Have a picnic.